Hey there, check out the SMITH Attack MTB 0807 Ki99M sunglasses designed for both men and women with a sleek black and gray rectangular frame. These sunglasses feature advanced ChromaPop lens technology that enhances color, contrast, and clarity for superior optical performance. The lightweight yet durable frame ensures a secure and comfortable fit ideal for daily wear and outdoor adventures. The non-polarized lenses provide full UV protection while maintaining natural color perception to reduce eye strain. Plus, the included eyewear care kit has a microfiber cloth, lens spray, and mini screwdriver for easy maintenance. Whether you're hitting the trails or running errands, these sunglasses combine style, comfort, and functionality. Experience the perfect blend of performance and protection with the SMITH Attack MTB sunglasses. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.